Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. GameStop, the embattled video game retailer turned meme stock, announced Wednesday a $1.75 billion convertible senior note offering. Now, proceeds will partly fund investments aligned with GameStop's policy to hold Bitcoin as a treasury reserve asset per the company's March announcement. So, following the March announcement of BTC treasury strategy, GameStop raised $1.3 billion through another convertible note offering. The company subsequently purchased 4,710 BTC for roughly $500 million during May. Swedish health tech firm 800 Group AB rose 45% on Wednesday after announcing it raised $10.6 million to accelerate the firm's BTC treasury strategy. So the $10.6 million raise is nearly 5 times larger than its previous $2.2 million raise led by BTC cypherpunk Adam Back on May 25. Now, the raise was split between two share issues worth $7.31 million and convertible loans contributing $3.29 million. The net proceeds from two share issues could allow the health and longevity focusing firm to buy around 67.1 BTC, adding to its existing 13.95 BTC and bringing its total to 81.85 BTC. Evertz Pharma GmbH, a company focusing on premium natural cosmetics, has become Germany's first company to adopt a strategic BTC reserve model by purchasing an additional 100 BTC in May 2025, valued at approximately $10.8 million USD, according to a press release. So the adoption marks a continued expansion of the company's BTC treasury, which began in December 2020 with an initial €2 million BTC purchase. Since then, Evertz Pharma has regularly allocated corporate profits towards BTC, building a digital reserve aimed at long-term stability. The US SEC has blocked DeFi Development Corp's $1 billion registration filing. The company had intended to use the funds to invest in Solana blockchain. However, the SEC found that the filing was ineligible due to missing a required internal controls report in the Form 10-K. As a result, the company has withdrawn the filing and plans to refile in the future. The main purpose of the $1 billion filing was to acquire Solana tokens. Solana was chosen as a primary focus due to its positioning in the cryptocurrency market. Almost a third of the BTC supply is held and controlled by centralized treasuries, and early adopters hold a disproportionate share, according to recent research by Gemini and Glassnode. So, centralized treasuries, including governments, exchange-traded funds, and public companies, now control 30.9% of the circulating supply of BTC, signaling a growing shift towards institutional-grade infra, noted researchers in a report on Wednesday. The total Bitcoin held across major institutional and custodial entities has surged to 6.1 million BTC, worth around $668 billion at current prices, representing an increase of 924% in supply held by these entities over the past decade, they reported. Interactive Strength, which trades on Nasdaq under the ticker TRNR, announced Wednesday it has entered into a securities purchase agreement to secure up to $500 million in capital, which will be used exclusively to purchase FET, the native crypto of the Fetch.ai platform. Now, the company, which operates high-tech fitness platforms including CLMBR and FORME, has landed $55 million in early-stage funding from ATW Partners and DWF Labs. The US Senate made a key move to regulate crypto, approving its first big vote 68-30 in favor of the Genius Act, a bill that targets establishing clear guidelines for stablecoin issuers. The strong bipartisan vote signals a historic moment for the crypto industry, which has long awaited a clear and supportive regulatory framework in the US. Now, when the Genius Act moves to the House of Representatives, lawmakers there will need to decide how to handle it. They could vote on the Senate version directly, combine it with their own market structure bill, or make changes before moving forward. In any case, the House must also approve the bill before it can go to the President to become law. Stellar price is up 10% this week from the $0.260 support zone and nearly 2% up intraday as Nasdaq confirms to add XLM along with other assets in the benchmark index via a new SEC filing this week, where its decision is pending by the year end. According to DeFi Llama, Stellar's TVL recently reached a new all-time high of $97.5 million, which strongly suggests more users are engaging with the network. Shares in Circle Internet Group closed with a 10.7% gain on Wednesday after the stablecoin issued partner with Brazilian fintech Metaverse to support the multi-currency bank payments, while its flagship stablecoin USDC also went live on OpenAI CEO Sam Altman's World chain. World, formerly WorldCoin, said on Wednesday that around 2 million of its users held bridged USDC, a type of cryptocurrency that represents value ported across from another blockchain, which is now upgraded to native USDC issued directly by Circle. US-based payment processing company is acquiring Privy, a New York-based crypto wallet infrastructure firm, as part of its ongoing expansion into digital asset space. So the move follows Stripe's $1.1 billion purchase of Bridge, a stablecoin infrastructure firm. Also, the deal's amount was not disclosed by either Stripe or Privy. However, the latter confirmed the acquisition on 11 June 2025. The move comes as part of Stripe's strategy to optimize how blockchain technology and tools are integrated into mainstream digital products. That's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3.0 TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3voicetv.io or scan the QR code.